Okay, I'm sharing you this job posting on angel.co. I'm going to send you the username and password as well. Uh, so I'm going to show you how to create a job and post a job. So if you want to post a job, you have to first open angel.co, the homepage. After that, you have to log in into my account. I'll give you the username and password, but it's shivgan at qcfinance.in and I'm going to send you the password. Now, to put some jobs, you have to go to the company page. So if you click on the top right, let me connect these people. Oh, it's not allowing me unless I know. It's bothering me. Okay. So top left, top right, and then the left one. So this is our website, company website, and these are the jobs that I have posted. If you click on view all jobs, these are the jobs that I have posted. This is posted today, posted today. This is Python analytics developer, and this is digital marketing strategist. The location is Indore, and it's full time and contract. I think both are full time. So let's see how to edit them so that it becomes full time. Okay, so this is digital marketing, edit job. And then I'm going to show you. So this is full time. I already have the keywords. Remote accepted, yes. Ideally in office because after like 2-3 months we would make them in office. This would be from 3 to 6. Visa sponsorship, it's in India, so that is not required. Number of employee, and I'm posting it. So this is how I post it. Now you see here, applicant, somebody applied to one of the jobs. Uh, this guy is recent, but he is in Bangalore. So uh, we are looking for people in Indore area mostly. So you'll get more people. Let me show you how to add more job. So if I come here, I write Python, PySpark, Big Data, Developer, Fresher, Indore. So this is Fresher, also accepting interns. This is a full-time. Primary role is software engineer. Years of experience is 0. We are looking for Python. We are looking for PySpark. We are looking for Quant. Quantitative analysis. Location is in the remote worker accepted, ideally at work. This would be 3 lakh to 6 lakh. Visa sponsorship, no, coworker not required. And we don't need to do this, we need to do this, and then we can post job. We can go ahead and let me show you how to find out PySpark, Python, job description, bank. So I'll show you some of the description on how you can use it. If you cannot, then it's also okay. Okay, so this is what I copied. I'm going to paste it. You can ask me to review, otherwise I'll check that as well. Where did I lose the page? Give me a second. Okay. Okay. Merging data, data enrichment, and whatever you want to post. You will be trained and have to work on. So this is a fresher position, so we are going to train them and they have to work on. And I'm going to write some more stuff. And I'm going to put this online as well so that you could use it later. I understand that you have less idea about PriceSpark, so whatever you do is good enough. I don't expect you to set the right things, but whatever you do is good enough. Okay, I'm not going to worry too much about the addition. I would just post it here. Okay. Now we need people in indoor only. So let's edit it so that we don't get people from outside. So I'm clicking on edit. 0 to 2 experience indoor. Okay. Okay. So these are the stuff. Now what this does is that if somebody search Python job indoor, it's going to show up here. Let me show you how. So these things are, this thing is posted on Headknocks, but some of them, like you see here, this is coming from Angelist. So we'll get more people applying. So if they want to apply, they're going to see here. We can edit the description. I was thinking if you can find out what's happening with Times Job and everything. And I also want to find out what's happening with other websites to post the job. But Angel List is one way to get to the job in these lists. I'll check out about the other ones as well. But that was very quick about posting the job on Angel List.